Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ClickUp with custom fields setup detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with ClickUp, start by visiting the ClickUp website. On the home page, locate the sign up button prominently displayed. Click the sign up button to proceed to the registration form. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, create a strong password for your account. Once your password is set, click the Get Started button. You may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from ClickUp. Click on the verification link provided in that email. Once verified, you can log in to your new ClickUp account. After logging in, you'll be guided through an initial setup process. Follow the prompts to personalize your ClickUp workspace. Once your workspace is set up, navigate to the left sidebar. Locate and click on the Spaces option. Select the space you want to customize or create a new one. In the selected space, click on Settings in the top right corner. Next, choose Custom Fields from the drop-down menu. Click the Add Custom Field button. You will see various field types to choose from. Select the type of custom field you wish to create. Give your custom field a descriptive name. You can further customize the field by configuring options. After setting up, click on the Save Changes button. Repeat this process for any additional custom fields you want to add. Once done, your custom fields will be part of your workspace. You're now ready to use ClickUp with your customized settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.